let's look at replace. Okay, so replace has two required parameters or two required arguments. Okay, I have to give it the thing I want to replace and the thing I want to replace it with. Count is a third but optional argument. Okay, so in this case, I have a string that says I like bananas. And if I say txt.replace bananas with apples, now remember, I'm not changing the original string. I'm returning a string with that thing replaced, and I'm putting it in X here in this case, and then I'm printing that. If I printed txt, it would still say I like bananas. So this is still a return something string. It just returns a string with the thing replaced with whatever you want to replace it with. So these are typically strings as well. Okay, so if I replace a string, an old string with a new string inside here, if it doesn't find it, it won't do anything. Count tells you how many times you want to do the replacement. So if I had a really long string that was a story about bananas and it said bananas 30 times in there, and I want to replace it all with oranges, I could do it all 30 times. Or if I say one, it'll just do it the first time and it'll leave everything else after that alone. So there's a lot of variability there, a lot of things you can customize.